Hello, so it is July 9th, and I have just gotten, well, no, I haven't just gotten back from Austin, but I got back from Austin yesterday, so I've been away from all my gardening for 4 days. This also corresponds to a complete miss of the last video. There'll be a break, but I'm planning on combining last week and this week's video sets because I won't have enough footage. So, looks like I should probably get this mowed soon. That's my first impression. Do a quick checkup on the control group. Still alive, although the grasses are starting to threaten it. Right. So like, that's a big bold piece of poison ivy right in the center of the walkway. Some more poison ivy. That needs to move inside. That's not, yeah, that's gonna lead to, oh wow, yeah, that too. I don't want stuff growing outside because it just get nommed on and then it'll encourage things to come back. Oh yeah, by the way, I brought a grocery bag because I don't know what's going to be ready, and you know, I feel like it's probably pretty appropriate. You know, you get food, you put in a grocery bag. It's like also the weeds kind of came up. I think it'll be okay. A lot of watermelon flowers, I will notice that. That is a ready zucchini, and that is probably 2 other zucchinis. I have to get those 3 zucchinis. Anything other kind of important that's been growing, at least here? I don't think so. Still weeding. I have to pull that down. Cucumber. Whoa, whoa! I'm gonna get some cucumbers soon. Wow, they grew up fast. Like a day ago, they were just, you know, kind of like these tiny little things, and now they're huge. I might have lost this fight with the pumpkins. Yeah, it finally actually kind of extended outward, and I don't want it to do that. I want it to stay down there. Same here, it's definitely getting into the peppers too much. Yeah, that pepper has been grabbed, and I want it to stop doing that. Alright, you don't want to see me kind of struggling with this, so I'm just going to start working on the stuff, like taking down the pumpkins, trying to pull that down, just get it a little under control. I'm definitely going to have to do a tick check, because, yeah, that's just what I have to do now these days. As far as the beans really haven't done anything. Oh, no, they have done things. They've actually made quite... Oh. This grocery bag's gonna be full. So here's a little example on why this tomato cage is kind of important. This cherry tomato has kind of fallen over because it grew so many goddamn tomatoes that it just kind of fell over. So I gotta fix that. I could use some. I could harvest some of that spare string to try to tie this thing up. You know, get it vertical again. I'm also gonna try. I know it's the pepper that was there was already kind of being eaten, so I want to start. I'm just gonna try harvesting some of these peppers a little sooner than I normally otherwise would. So I'm gonna do that. Fix the tomatoes, but I've already harvested, I think, the cucumbers and the zucchini that I needed. And also, that's a lot of plant that I had to move away. Well, let's see if that works. You can see a lot of remaining little twisty things that that grabs onto other plants and pulls it down. Although I think it's actually from this. That was from the squash. I know there was a big guy. Yeah, there. doesn't seem to have gotten much bigger than last time, but I'll hold out hope. Anyway, tomatoes. Okay, so just did that tie up. You know, looks a lot better. We got a very aggressive cucumber vine there that I'm gonna move, and I think that'll be the last thing. I could probably harvest the lettuce and kale if I wanted to, but yeah, I'll do that later. I think that they're so low density as opposed to literally everything else I've been getting that it might just be worth, you know, waiting for another day. I don't really have the stuff for it, and it could maybe use like a day or two of continual growth. It does look healthy. Oh, by the way, I have absolutely no idea where the peas went. It's like I had peas, and now they're just gone. So it's funny. You have had a continual problem of exiting this whole day. What do you have to say for yourself? You dragonfly. Well, eat bugs. Do that. Anyway, I see about encouraging that thing. I'll probably harvest that cucumber to, when I do the lettuce. Oh crap, I forgot about the beans. I guess I will be out here for a little bit longer. Oh, it's so productive. I can't believe it. Hey, and we have our first ripe blueberry from the wild blueberry farm. Now, I lost that one. Now, I'm not going to weigh this one just because it probably won't register, but... Oh, there's blueberry. It's bitter blueberry, but that's what makes it good for cooking. Alright, at some point I need to do a people scale rather than a kitchen scale, but let's go do this. 506 grams of cucumber. 643 and 498 of the zucchini. 50 grams of mixed peppers. And 252 grams of beans, mixed beans. I didn't sort them, sorry. So that's the zucchini and the peppers. Zucchini and the beans. So that's the zucchini and the beans, and then the pepper and the I think the onion things there, and carrots. They're not. Should run carrots. Okay, so it's July 10th. I'm a little short on breath because I just got back from bike ride, but I do want to check up on, you know, the garden, see how things are doing. Really want to weed it at some point, but normally for slightly longer projects I don't do that until the weekend, so that sucks. Piss off bugs. Yeah, I just wanted to turn on the water for a bit because it hasn't rained in a while, and then the other main thing is I just want to check up on the pumpkins since I kind of took them out of the pepper area. So I want to see if they've righted themselves. You know. Beetles! Stop it! I know my sweat is salty. Yeah, you can see they've leaned over and then straightened themselves back up. I'm probably going to have to continually kind of pull them away. This area is going to get completely taken over. I'll try to just keep it kind of limited to the edge and, you know, don't expand too far in. Those tomatoes are getting really big down there. Because I get a better angle on them. Probably want to pick up some peppers, but again, I'll do a lettuce, pepper, kale harvest later. The potato beetle infested one seems to have just kind of grown large enough that it doesn't seem to be having trouble anymore. So, yeah, that's good. That is the beginning of a cantaloupe. So that's good. We got more zucchini coming in. As you can see, the zucchini really starts growing after you pick it because it spends usually most of its time only focusing on one or two zucchini things. at a time. Any other cucumbers? Oh yeah, there's this pepper that's still around, although it really hasn't done anything. Just looking for anything else. Wonder. Hope my bean plants are fine. I mean, there was a lot of beans, so I was pretty aggressive about removing them. Well, that's that. I'm not gonna stare at this for too much longer. Just gonna pick that one cucumber and then head off. Oh, and then of course weigh it. Maybe a day more. This one was the one I wanted to pick. I don't have scissors, and this thing's spiky. I'll try my right hand. There we go. Cucumber. Woo. Actually, yeah, I'll take two. Alright, signing off now. 216 grams. Hey, so it's June 11th, and I just got some proto-watermelons popping up. Woo! I was actually already inside. I was just planning on checking on it without actually, videotaping much. I also turned off the water. Two points, two bad points is we've got poison ivy popping up there, and underneath the zucchini. So that sucks. I really need to weed this. This isn't in Saturday. I'm planning on going here, and I'm gonna have to really pull out that poison ivy, because that's no good. It really sucks that I don't really have much time after I get home to work on that. So, gotta save it all for the weekend, and I missed last weekend because Austin. So, anyway, just wanted to do that by checking out, signing off. That's what I say.